In this video, I'm going to show you how to report futures trading on TurboTax. So over here on their website, they actually have a community post over here on the forum, which says exactly how to do it. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it so you can just follow along and you don't have to read through this. So over here, what you have to do is first, of course, open up TurboTax, and you want to first go to Tax Home and then press continue anywhere over here so we can continue inside to your page where you can see all of this info here on the left. Now, once you're in here, what you want to do is, as it says on their website, you want to go to the magnifying glass icon at the top over here where it says search, and you want to click on that. And from here, inside search questions, keywords, or topics, you want to type in form 6781. So 6781 and press enter. After you do this, you want to click on jump to form 6781, so click on that. And from here, you're now inside this form. So what it says is that TurboTax will then take you through a questionnaire where you can enter your information. So this will be it over here. You can close this via this X button, and you can just go through this questionnaire over here by answering it. And then, as they say, it will automatically split your gains between long-term and short-term to report them on your tax return. So over here, you just want to follow through and put in all your information, and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.